select ያረው ክላስ ወጣን በሴኩሪቲ እና በጣም ይቅርታ አድርጉልኝ ከአቅም በላይ ስለሆነ ብቻ ሌላ ነገር የለም በስነስርዓት ሞባይል አላችሁ ኢትዮጵያዊ ላይ ታበለ በስተቀራችን
16 አመት እዚህ ሀገር ኖር ያለው
Okay, can you pick up guy please
No problem. This is for my country.
Okay.
Okay, no. This is a murder. You are cooperating with murderers, okay? You want to arrest me? There you go.
He didn't do anything.
Please arrest me. I want you to arrest him. Because I want you to be responsible. I want you to arrest him. I said don't touch me. Call the police. Let the police remove me from this. Excuse me, don't touch me. Don't touch me. I said don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Excuse me, don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Police resist ማድረግ አትችሉም ነው አይደል ዊንዶው መስበር አይደል ኢትዮጵያ አይደለም እነዚህ ኢዲዮቶች ኢትዮጵያ ቢሆን ኖሮ ትገሉ ነበር እናንተ ሰዎች ሀሳባችን መግለጽ ሲሪየስ
Police
Away from some of the social
I think politely